Hi, welcome to Hema Pharmacy, and in this video I am going to explain about the medical coding convention guidelines. Before you have to coding the code, you have to know some guidelines. We have to follow the guidelines to code the disease. First of all, in this convention guidelines, alphabetic index and tabular list, format, structure, placeholder characters, abbreviations, punctuations, etc. These are included into the convention guidelines. When it comes to the alphabetic index, the codings are given in a alphabetical form in ICD-10, ICD-11 book, and there are some tabular lists also. Okay, in that tabular list we can check out the codes, how it is coded, and the alphabetic order and numbers also given in the numerical orders. Okay, that is called as alphabetic index and tabular list. Clear? Second one is format and structure. The codings are like 3 codes, 4 characters, 7 characters. Likewise, the codings are divided as a characters that can be given in a format, which is for example E119. E119 is coded for insulin, right? Likewise, we have some characters which is used to code the codings, and placeholder characters. For example, we have the X. X means there is some other characters are involved, but not now. We don't know the characters, but in future the characters will be involved in the form. So that's why we can placeholder character is given for the code. If the placeholder character is given for the code, that means we have some extended characters. Okay, and abbreviations. When it comes to the abbreviations, we have to learn about the medical terminology first. In the main abbreviations, there are two main abbreviations are given in this ICD-10 book. They are NEC and NOS. NEC stands for the other specified code. And when it comes to the punctuations, the punctuations are also called as colons, parentheses, which is nothing but the brackets. Okay, the code can be given in the brackets, then it will be specified with these brackets. And unspecified codes, some other codes and unspecified codes are given in the ICD-10 book because they need some specifications. Like I already told that placeholder character, for example, which is nothing but X, because we have to need some extra characters into the code, then these unspecified codes are given. In these unspecified codes, insufficient assigns are given to code the specific. And includes and excludes. Includes, first of all, these excludes are divided into two types, divided into two categories. They are exclude 1 and exclude 2. In exclude 1, the codes are not coded, but the two conditions cannot occur together in this exclude 1. The two conditions cannot occur together, and they are unrelated to each other, that is occur in the exclude 1. In this exclude 1, are you guys understand my? I will repeat it here. In this exclude 1, the two conditions are cannot occur together. It means they are unrelated to each other. There is no relationship between these two conditions. That is came under the exclude 1. When it comes to the exclude 2, these are not indicate the condition. This didn't indicate the condition in exclude 2. For example, tuberculosis of bones. Okay, the tuberculosis of bones and joints are coded as A18.0. While we are entering into this system, we do not enter the point, that is dot. Okay, and after that, next one is C and C also. In this ICD book, we can see some codes are given. You can see also likewise. That means the codes are having different other types of codes also. That means if E11 9 is a insulin, and in that E11 there are so many subcategories like E11 9.1, E11 9.2, E11 0.1, E11 0.2. Likewise, these are comes under the C and C also. Okay, next one is code also. To describe a condition, but this not doesn't provide the sequencing direction. To describe a condition, the code also is given, because you can code also likewise this. To describe the condition, the code also is used, and default codes, that is also comes under the conditions. ICD-10 CM level of details are coding, and some signs and symptoms are there. Conditions, multiple coding for a single code. For example, Alzheimer's palpitations, which is having multiple codes. Okay, in some cases the etiology convention requires 2 codes to describe the full code. To describe the single condition, we can need so many codes like this. For example, streptococcus. Here I'll show one code, that is metastatic bone marrow cancer. For this metastatic bone marrow cancer, we can code as C79.52 and C80.1. This comes under the multiple coding for a single code. Okay, we all know about the acute and chronic conditions, so, and some combination codes also, which is similar to the multiple codings. Okay, yes, this is about the class, and if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, subscribe to Hema Pharmacy channel.